A lot of people know that Guyana is the land of many waters, but did you know that its three biggest rivers are all born in one place? They start out as streams and rivulets in the Acarai-Rupununi Corridor, a 1.5 million hectare wilderness in southern Guyana, bordering Brazil and Suriname. Here, the Essequibo, Berbice, New, and Corentyne rivers descend through a vast, unbroken expanse of rainforest that is home to a spectacular diversity of plants and animals, millions of towering trees, enormous food fishes, and prowling apex predators. All along these rivers, ancient petroglyphs inscribe a complex history of human habitation, and a deep well of local knowledge remains strong in the Waiwai, Wapisiana, Trio, and Makushi peoples in nearby indigenous communities. In November of 2024, Guyana's Protected Areas Commission invited the Field Museum's Rapid Inventory team to document the rich biodiversity and local ecological knowledge of the Acarai-Rupununi Corridor, a place that Guyana has prioritized for conservation. Partnering with 5 other Guyanese institutions and the indigenous communities of Masikanaru, Parabara, and Cashew Island, the 3-week survey was the largest ever scientific expedition to an area of Guyana that few people have ever visited.
We have a team of about 30 people, and what we're doing here is trying to figure out and assess what's here, biodiversity-wise. For us, it's really important to think about the interconnectedness of these landscapes. It's wildlife, it's the habitat that these organisms depend on, and the people that depend on these natural resources.
We, the villagers, have decided to be part of this project. Our people will be able to learn from scientists and also to give their inputs towards the research.
The cool thing about this expedition is that we have a lot of Guyanese experts that are a part of this, from the national level who've worked across the country and in other places, but also at the local level, working closely with the communities nearby that know this place way better than we do.
There's huge knowledge in the neighboring communities, people who move through this area, people who have traveled, and there's evidence of that travel for more than 200 years. And so this will help us understand the potential role of those communities in safeguarding and protecting this place.
The research in this area is really important to the locals like myself. It really signifies the richness of this area.
I would be very excited to see what is the result from the study that's been carried out here, so that we can be able to protect it.
Ever since the country's independence 60 years ago, it set aside these forests in southern Guyana. People came and said there might be precious metals here, let's mine them. The government said, wait a bit. Foresters came and said there's valuable timber here, let's cut it down, sell it. Government said, wait a bit. And now the government's decided that that best solution is conservation. It's a new kind of conservation that provides real monetary benefits to the people who live in these forests and to everyone else in Guyana.
One of the main targets is to try to reach 30% conservation of land and seas by 2030. So this rapid inventory will help us understand the species that's there to bring it under some sort of protection.
It would be very important to expand on these protected areas because, as we know, Guyana is on the verge of major development. It is important for us to first find out what is here before we even lose it.
Biodiversity is so crucial to the health of waterways and of the forest. Our goal is really to understand this landscape so that we can figure out how to maintain this ecosystem for generations to come.